Hey guys, I'm making this real quick and dirty video here. I just wanted to show you I'm making this video inside the headset so you can't see that I'm using pass-through, but I am using pass-through. Uh, I presently have two different devices open, different USB devices. The one is my On Ultra HD streaming device that I bought from Walmart for 20 bucks. I've connected it directly to the headset with HDMI via a USB video capture device. I got it for 20 bucks, I think, on Amazon. It allows me to plug devices like a computer or an Android TV box or a Chromecast directly into the headset by HDMI. Now, I've also got a USB 2.0 webcam plugged into the headset. So we've got something like a kind of jank pass through, if you move it with your head, but at least then you've got some color. And of course, this crazy camera wants to focus on a face. It's a feature I really don't care for. And then I've got the Android TV box too, and it works just like any other TV. You pick up your remote, you flip through your channels, the sound pipes right in through the Quest, just like the video does. So I've got that right there, and then I've got the other USB device right here, the camera working just fine, side by side. Everything's working blessedly. Hope you guys are having a great morning. I'll see you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. All right. Maybe I'll make another video later today.